Vaccination of all is soon going to be a reality. The central government has allowed vaccination above 18 years of age from 1st of May. The decision was taken after Prime Minister's meeting with top doctors. The move is coming at a time when India is registering more than 2 lakh cases on a daily basis. Take a look at the report coming in.
India on Monday announced the next big step in its vaccination drive. From May 1st, everyone above the age of 18 can line up to be vaccinated. The decision came after a series of meetings held through by the Prime Minister with health experts and pharma firms.
Necessity is definitely there because in the second wave, what we are seeing is more and more patients in the younger age group. That more casualties are happening in the age group of 20 to 45, and which is really a sad thing. And even the children are getting affected now. It is practically a community spread where, you don't know from where, who is got infected where. Entire families are getting infected. So immunization will play an important role.
The third phase of India's vaccine plan also saw a much more liberalized and accelerated strategy to inoculate people.
जितने भी लोग हैं अभी जो हालात चल रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग सबको कोरोना का इंजेक्शन लगना चाहिए जाके बच्चों तक को लगना चाहिए.
It's a very great initiative because you see that more than 65% of the population is below 35 years and that's like the majority. So it's a great step, it's a great initiative taken by the government and I think it totally makes sense for people who are 18 and above to get vaccinated now.
I take this as a positive step और जो जितनी ज़्यादा वैक्सीनेशन हमारी होगी उतनी ही जल्दी हम इस बीमारी से जो है निजात पा सकते हैं.
The centre has asked vaccine makers to scale up production by 50%. Manufacturers can now release 50% of their production to states. States are now empowered to procure doses directly from the makers at a pre-decided price. The government's move comes amid heated showdowns between centre and state government over vaccine supply. Several states, including Maharashtra, Bengal, Delhi, have claimed acute shortage of doses and cried discrimination. But this new phase from May 1st will also be the most difficult. From vaccine distribution to administering the doses to such a vast population. India's health sector will be up against a challenging task. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.